This won't be your ordinary advent calendar. Hi there everyone, welcome back to Journey to Home Sweet Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Christmas scavenger hunt advent calendars. Perfect for the countdown to Christmas. Or you can use the clues and do a 10-day scavenger hunt countdown. And the best thing is that these are reusable year after year. So you'll need to pick up a few of these snack containers from the Dollar Tree kitchen section. Then you'll need some glitter paper that's self-adhesive on the back. Then you'll need a wide variety of Christmas stickers. And then I also picked up laser cut shapes. You'll also need a poster board. So remove your containers from their package. Then take out one of your glitter sticker papers and turn it over onto the back side. And take the cover off your container, then turn your container upside down and place it on the glitter paper. Next, you're going to trace the outline onto the glitter paper. And you should end up with 12 on one page. Now you can use one color for everything, or you can mix and match the different colors. I wanted something that would appeal to each of my girls. So once you have all your circles cut out, you're going to peel them and center them over the cover. Press down and make sure you push into the edges of the cover. You will have some excess around. Don't worry about that. Just take a scissors and run it along the inside edge of the cover, like I'm showing you here, and then peel off that excess. If any gets stuck, just run your scissors again and then peel it off. Once all of your containers are covered, then you'll arrange them into your pattern. I'm going to be making a wreath pattern. And then this is important because you want to be able to measure out the size that you'll need for your poster board. So I'm measuring about 13 inches here. You can also maybe go with 14 or 15 because in the end I did find that 13 was a bit small. Next, you're going to measure out your poster board in a 13-inch square. Connect the lines and then cut it out. Now, as you can see here, I used a scissors at first just because I didn't want to go out to my garage to get a box cutter, but the scissors kept getting stuck, so I eventually decided to just go out and get the box cutter. And as you can see here, it worked perfectly. Next, you're going to mark off the center of your square piece, and that would be 6.5 inches horizontally. And then you'll measure vertically 6.5 inches to the center. Then starting from the center, rotating all the way around, measure out 6.5 inches from the center. Next, I just connected the dots freehand to make a circle. Then I placed two of the containers side by side just so I could get the width that I needed. Then I took a measuring tape and measured from the center to the dot that I had made, and it measured just a little over 3 inches. And again, starting from the center of my circle and working my way around, I just drew dots in like 1-inch intervals. I connected those dots. Then using my box cutter, very carefully, very slowly, and I know this is showing you really quickly, but I did go very slowly because this is a curve. I didn't want to have my box cutter go past the lines, so I just cut out the circles. Then I took my scissors and just trimmed off any extra that was hanging off and proceeded to arrange my containers on the wreath. I arranged them with the containers hanging off the edges a little bit. That's so that the edges wouldn't show as much. So once I did that and made sure that everything fit, I went ahead and removed the outer layer, and then I hot glued the inner layer onto the poster board. Once the inner layer was done, I rearranged my outer layer again and then hot glued those on. Now towards the end you can see that I was running out of space, so I just kind of fiddled with it and got it to kind of fit, kind of like a puzzle, and then I hot glued them on. They were kind of zigzagging, but that's okay, that added a little something to it. So now it was ready for the stickers. So all I did was choose which stickers I wanted to place on there and start sticking them on. For the laser cuts, I hot glued those on because they were not self-adhesive. Then using some Avery sticker paper, I just cut out little circles with my 1.5 inch hole punch. I numbered those circles and then just randomly placed them on the containers. Next was the fun part of filling the containers with the Scavenger Hunt riddles or activities, or you could do both. So just remember to put the treats in the spot that the Scavenger Hunt is telling you to go to that day. I have a link to these Scavenger Hunt riddles down below. They are a free printable that you can print off and include in your kids' Scavenger Hunt advent calendar, or you can do a scavenger hunt with them just like that. This is what your calendar will look like. So cute. You can do anything you like with these. The sky's the limit. You don't even have to put glitter paper. You can use cardstock and glue them on. But I really like the look of the glitter paper and the shimmer. So I hope you liked this DIY. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll try it and tag me on Instagram if you do. It's at Journey to Home Sweet Home. I would love to see it if you do try this. Spread some joy today. Make one of these advent calendars. I know there's not that many days left, but there is still a few days left for your kids to count down. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. I do organizing, cleaning, DIYs, and recipes. So I hope you'll join me on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. For another video, please click the link on the side below, and have a beautiful day, my friends. Take care.